what a day, what a day, what a day. But I have for you Adorables opening. Why do I have Adorables opening? When I said I wasn't going to buy me any more Adorables, I was going to wait till the price came down because I'm a lemming. And when somebody tells me that, hey, I got a video that I just uploaded and I want you to come see it. It's a Disney Adorable opening, Series 10. I'm like a lemon. I'm not a lemon, a lemming. Or monkey see, monkey do. So anyway, I did have another Adorables opening, but I haven't posted that video yet because it's a swap video and I'm still working on, I want to say working on editing it, but you guys all know I don't edit. So, but I am still working on the video. I do have to put it together. And so anyway, just to remind you guys what you can get in this, Series 10, and don't mind my nails. I'm just in the process of pulling off all my acrylic nails. So, but you can get Atlantis, Coco, Moana, Monsters University, Oliver and Company, Princess Ballerina, Ratatouille, Robin Hood, Emperor's New Groove. And then you can get The Good Dinosaur, which I've never really seen that, I don't think. Toy Story, Wall-E. I've never seen Wall-E either. Pinocchio, Pocahontas, special edition figures. Okay, this is the 100 limited edition. So let's see what I can get. Now, I was going to go get, these are mini peeks, okay? In these, you can get 2 or 3. I was going to get, I didn't know. I thought I would just try my hand at mini peeks. It was $11.99 for the multi-peek, where you can get 4, 5, or 6. And then this one was $4.99 a piece. And so, I don't know, I just went with this. But let's just see what I got. Without further ado, like they say, let's just open this up. And this is out of box X129, okay? X129. So I'll put this one over here. See what I get. Now, this one felt heavy, and I thought, oh, maybe I have 3 bags in here, but we'll see. No, just 2. Maybe it was this one that felt heavy. I don't know. Okay. So, I have Adorable number 22 and Adorable number 4. Oh, shoot. I already have 4. This is Trixie. Okay, this is Trixie. Let me show you guys Trixie. Trixie's a dinosaur. Here she is, Trixie. I remembered she was number 4 because I wrote it down right there. Right there, I wrote down the number 4. Okay, and then number 22. Geez, I hope this is something good, not something I have already. Oh, I do not think I have this. Aurora and her ballerina. I love it. She's not really a favorite, my favorite princess or anything, but I think she's so pretty. I think she's so pretty. And guys, she's a rare. Is she an ultra rare? She's an ultra rare. Okay, so in bag number 22, and then what I do is like, I'll just look for Aurora and I'll go like this. And I don't know if this is going to help me or help a friend, but I'll write 22. So then I know she was in bag 22. Well, I didn't do it for all of them, but I did it for that. Like I said, this one is Trixie because it's number 4. So that's Trixie. I'll put the old Trixie there. And then I'll open up this box, and this was X035. Now let's see what I get in here. Maybe this is the box that I thought felt heavy. We'll see. I had my friend, she was so sweet. She bought me a multi-peek. Her name is Carrie from Double Click Connect. And I had her in the store doing all of my tricks to check, you know, was this one heavier than the other? You know, all this kind of stuff. And then, Carrie, I didn't have time to use all my tricks today. But I thought that was kind of, oh yeah, look. See, I knew it felt heavier. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now, hopefully these are not duplicates, okay? So that came out of box X035. Okay. XO35. Let's see what I get. And number 18, it is, oh, I already have her, Chef Colette. So listen, sometimes you get 3, you might get 3 duplicates. Hopefully we ain't getting triplicates, okay? Number 11. Oh, Pinocchio when he got turned into a donkey. All right, and that one is number 11. This one looks like a small one. Oh, I think it might be a Cocamora. Number 48. And guys, I don't know if you ever saw the movie Moana, but I wanted an army of Cocamora. Oh no, I'm wrong. I am so wrong. This is not Cocamora. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's Percy. Percy, and he's got the little hat on. Look, he's got the little cape. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Percy. So Percy is number 48. Let me cross him off here. Where is she? Pocahontas right here. Percy is an ultra rare, guys. Score 48. And then Pinocchio. Where are you? Right here. He's just a common, but it's okay, Pinocchio. We love you. And then what was that other one? Oh, Chef Colette. So I didn't write down Chef Colette's number because I wasn't doing the number thing earlier. So that's 18. And then Aurora. Oh my gosh, Aurora, you're so beautiful. She was 22. And then Trixie. Trixie. I'm mad at you, Trixie. Yeah, she was number 4. Okay, so guys, I am adding to my collection. So I am still in need of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my gosh. 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, guys, I need almost 60. I still need 59 more. Oh my goodness. But I have a good friend, Monica, that I do switch with. And not switch, but we trade. Oh, sometimes we don't even trade. Sometimes she just helps me out, you know. She's just that kind of friend. And then, you know, I try to just help her out too when I can. So where did Trixie go? She wasn't here at Toy Story. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are having a blessed and wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.